on that? Or
No,
no?
next 15 days, no trade.
Very good.
Actually, yeah, next 15 days, no trade.
No problem. Very good.
Yeah, but watching the moves, everything.
Yeah, it was crazy. And the dot, your calculations were too good, sir. Too good.
Thank you. Thank you.
I never expected itna 2582. I never expected. I said 25 50 60 tak jaake atkega. It will, but it went like rocket.
After that, it went to 30, 30.
Yeah,
No?
yeah. Post that also.
Actually, today it was supposed to do 8%. Today.
Oh, 8%. Nifty would have been 25,000 then. 24,000, more than 24,000 then.
I was expecting 350 points in Nifty future and Reliance 8% today. But not happened. What to do?
I booked 300 points in Bank Nifty.
Good.
Yeah.
Stay
Thank you,
with
sir.
Stay with the system. System can help you. You don't need to put your... See, yesterday, why I put the message, I know if you people go and watch Dow Jones, you will not take the long call. Your mind...
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Huh?
I have a question. Can I ask a question, sir?
I put 9:15, so I'm waiting for the people to join. Yeah, you can ask your doubt.
Sir, in last session, we were discussing about candles rated with 1 year. So January 1st candle we were observing. So with that study, I was trying to analyze Bajaj Finserv. So I saw that Bajaj Finserv open was 1685. So after that, sir, it is continuously been in a downtrend from 1685. Right now, the stock is at 1600. Does it mean that when it touches 1685, there are possibilities of it going again back because it should respect that line?
I don't know. Till it is below the yearly open, it is bearish only. But what is the, then you need to go and check what is the quarterly open, which is April 1st open. And then you can also mark July 1st open, which is the third quarter.
Okay.
You can also do that, no?
Right.
Yeah.
But yearly number will be more important than these quarterly numbers?
Yes. No doubt about it. No doubt about it.
Right.
Yeah. Any other doubt? Yeah. And one more thing. Yesterday, once I finished my last webinar, I got 3-4 messages saying that, sir, too much of disturbance happening. Many people asking doubts without I finish my topic. So please don't ask any doubt when I conduct a session. I will open the question answer session. That time you will ask anything you want to ask. Okay. Already I got more than 4 or 5 messages. Please, respect it. And if you don't have any doubt when you are talking to someone, please put the mute. My humble request. Sakshi Balla.
Sir, one more thing. Again and again, people asking for the link and all. Wait, Pranay, wait. Please be mute. Yeah, again and again, people are asking me about the link and when is the session will conducted, where is the link. Everything will be posted in Telegram channel. That is your batch Telegram channel, Time Train Trade, batch 20. You will get all the information there.
You don't need to ask me or ask Bagesh. Just go to the Telegram channel and open it.
You will get
all the updates. Please don't ask us simple questions. Sir, what time is the webinar? Today I got three messages. Sir, what time is the webinar? When you will upload the video? Whether you will upload the video or not? Why silly questions? Already I am getting 1,000 messages in a day. And I told very clearly, if you want anything, if you want to ask any doubts apart from the market, you need to ask Bagesh. You are asking me, sir, what time is the webinar? It is going to distract me in the market and I am not going to lose anything. You are going to lose. If you distract me, you will be in problem. I will not be in problem. I told very clearly in the last webinar itself. Anything regarding the market, ask me. Anything apart from the market, ask Bagesh. And we told very clearly in the first meeting itself, anything regarding the batch, everything will be uploaded in the Telegram channel. Just to open morning one time, night one time, you will be updated. Why you are asking again and again? Please don't do that. Sakshi.
Yeah, hi sir, good evening. So in one of your video now, you have discussed with the gap up and gap down opening and how to trade with it. So today we have Mustard. It opened 3% gap up. So can you just tell me, because it was not clear to me ki how to trade that particular stock
Gap up.
today? Mustard,
Which stock?
Mustard,
Ah,
Mustard, sir.
Mustaka. What is it, Mustak?
Maths
No,
doc,
sir.
maths doc,
Maths doc.
maths doc, maths doc.
NASDAQ. Ah, okay, okay. Chalo. Let's go. See, still my video is running. I'm not able to upload. Chalo, not a problem.
MAZ.
MAZ, sir.
Okay, now tell me what you want. It's crystal clear. Where is the question of doubt here?
Yes, sir. So in the video now you told us ki that once it's touched the blue line, you can initiate the trade.
No, you asked me about the gap down and gap up. Suddenly now you are asking blue and red touch.
No,
What-
no, no. In the same video now, when I watched the video now, it was there that if there is a gap up and minimum the gap up should be of 3%. Right. So once the stock touches the blue line, you can initiate the trade for the upside.
Okay, so now this is 3% gap down, gap up.
Yes, sir.
Based on the gap up, there is no entry.
Correct.
There is no long, correct?
Right.
Based on the 3% rule, based on the 3% rule, now the gap up is done. You need to enter at the blue, yes or no?
Right. Right. Yeah.
You entered here.
Correct.
It gave a sell. It
Right.
gave a sell.
Correct.
Any candle close to below? After the
No,
sell,
sir.
three
No,
candles
sir.
close to below or not?
No, sir.
Nova,
No, sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
Any candle closed below or not? Open your eyes.
Yes, sir.
Close.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's good.
So once it closed below, where to go short?
When it touched the blue line, the above one.
Touched or not?
Yes, it's touched.
You need to go short here or not?
Correct.
You made a loss here. See, you entered here. You made a loss here. 30
Right.
rupees loss. Again, it gave opportunity to sell here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What rate you sold? 4190. Again, the same rate you sold.
Correct.
100 rupees given or not?
Right, sir.
That's all.
Okay.
The 3% rule, of course, yes. Whenever a stock opens gap up or not even a gap up, any 3% open, when it retraced to 1 minute blue 100, you can take an entry. Stop loss, sell. One candle below that. Once it is touched, once it is given a sell, wait for the blue, you need to go short there.
And vice versa, we need to apply the same rule for the gap down.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Right, sir.
Thank you. Surat,
Thank you, sir.
So with respect to trend change date, we take 15 minutes high and low starting. And with respect to when there's a gap up, we take the 30 minutes. When both of the conditions are not there, it is just a normal day. In that case, we can take the 15 minutes high and low.
yeah.
Okay. And sir, in fortune signals, when we are trading for 1 minute and 3 minutes, you've said that we do not consider G buy and G sell. So we trade it like the old version.
Sumit, last warning for you. Please don't waste the time. Now I need to hear everything from him now, from the beginning. Rupam, start from the beginning.
Sir, with fortune signals, when we are dealing with 1 minute and 3 minutes, we have to consider, we don't consider G buy and G cells. We consider them as positional, and we have to trade it like the old. Sir, we have to.
Who is asking the doubt now? Sushradha.
I think
Sir,
he's
I'm getting muted
muted.
again and again.
Yeah. Tell me, sorry.
Sir, with respect to fortune signals in 1 minute and 3 minutes, we have to not consider the G buy because they have positionals, G buy and G cell. So we have to trade it like the old version.
Of course, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That was it.
Anything when it comes to G buy and G cell, it is positional even in 30 seconds time frame also. If it is an intraday, only 1 minute and 3 minutes is only allowed in normal buy and sell. You got it? You can use even 30 seconds also, no problem. Normal buy and sell. Anything
Okay,
comes
sir.
to positional, it is G buy and G sell. Even in 30 seconds also.
Another doubt, when we buy at G buy, do we have to sell at only G cell, or the normal cell will also, if it becomes genuine?
No. If it is G buy, then G cell.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
Thank you. Rupam.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. So actually, I'm going through all your tutorial videos, but I have not completed yet. So I have one doubt in for one of your first video of ONM, sir. There is a column called combos, so I am completely missing that, sir. So what is that particularly? I'm not able to understand.
Based on the time. That you will come to know little later. I have already explained. If you go and watch the video, you will know that. Price
I have
doesn't.
seen the video, but I'm missing something. I left. Actually, I've seen the complete video, but I'm missing something, sir. I wasn't able to.
What you are missing?
The particular this one, the combos numbers, that you have given, no, sir.
No combo numbers, boss. It is convergence number.
Okay.
Number only converge. Number doesn't get into combo. Time only will have a combo.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. So if you have any, again go back to that video. Wherever you have a doubt, just record it and send it to me. I will answer you. No problem.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Sharma.
Guruji Pranam. See, my question is that today's session, when we were talking about Naveen Fluorine. So at that time, when you talked about 5-minute Naveen Fluorine, even I saw that at that time. And it was observed by me that at that point of time, it was as per the rule given buy and rebuy. And it was touching the blue line, and even the blue line has come in between blue and red. But and if we check that resistance, because it is acting as a support. Blue line first acting as support, then red line acting as support. So at that time, it is coming 3588. Yet I have seen that in the group you posted that until unless it touches 3554, we will not. I mean, you may like to get entry in this at 3554. So, sir, that how did you arrive at that? Because by the teachings, what you are given in the videos, it is like when we are getting this support with the line, blue line coming in between this blue and red, it should take support, it should fly from here. So why we should wait in Naveen Fluorine till 3554?
First of all, this is 5 minutes, okay?
Correct, sir.
Too much of consolidation.
Yes.
After the consolidation, this is the high, this is the low. This is the consolidation high and low. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I need to buy above here or I need to go short below here.
Perfect, sir.
Tomorrow is the trend change rate. So now what I did? First, After this is the big candle where I got the fractal.
Correct, sir. Correct. We got a fractal here. Right. It broke it also.
Till it is not going to cross above this, there is no question of buy.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So now it broke the low.
Correct.
It came and touched the blue.
Yes, sir. And
I-
that blue line also come in between.
Wait. Let me finish. I need
Okay,
to-
sir.
But I didn't buy.
Okay.
I got a fractal here.
Hmm.
No movement. Then when I went to 1 minute, it gave a sell. So I left it up.
Okay.
But tomorrow I will buy.
Sir, but still in the group you have mentioned no that you may like to make an entry in this stock at 3554. I think you mentioned something like right?
3594, not 3554.
Is it?
Sir, you said 3554. So even I had messaged you on WhatsApp for that.
3554,
Sir, you have written that
So
you
even I messaged you in the day for that only. Why 3554?
Maybe because
is a typo error, is it so, sir? Because even I noticed that and I said like with the what you have mentioned with that logic, it is showing an entry.
maybe because of my number or something like that. I don't know.
Oh.
This batch 20 slide. Maybe
Okay, sir.
my original slide I will be having my number. Because of that, maybe. I don't know. So now when it comes to Navin floor, now what is that? This is the normal cell and one
Right.
candle below. But
Right.
there is no G cell. There is no G cell. So now I will go to 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, it is getting rejected. In 15 minutes, it is getting rejected. So there is no question of buy. And where it is getting rejected exactly,
At the bottom. Yeah, correct, sir. At the top.
so no entry.
Right. Okay.
So tomorrow, if the
If
first
it- yeah, sorry, sir.
15 minutes, high and low will do the magic. Again, tomorrow, if it opens here, if it is not able to break, I will mark the high and low, I will go short.
Right, sir. Right. Got
What-
it.
And
Yes.
below this, obviously, there will be more pain. See,
Okay.
understand one thing, time cycle doesn't mean it is bullish.
Yes, sir. Correct.
You need to trade both the sides.
Right, sir. Right.
Shyam,
Sir, today's Nifty, I have a doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Actually, while trading between Nifty and the strike chart and this one,
What?
I'm getting different. Sir. I mean, with the Nifty spot and the options chart, I'm getting little different, sir.
Obviously, no. Option chart will have time decay, no?
Yeah. So while in the morning, I got a fake sell in Nifty, but in option chart, it was like genuine sell. So which should I consider?
Obviously, boss, you need to be, I told you 1,000 times, spot is the god.
The God. Yeah, I agree, sir. But while in system, if I see, I'm getting shivering like it is in sell, so which should consider like that, sir.
If the spot is in fake G cell,
Mhm.
then that is the right one.
Okay. And also, while executing this fake, I mean, we can execute the fake G cell itself, or we should wait for the blue retest.
No, I told you very clearly. Now this is the G cell, correct?
Yeah,
Now how to trade this? Mark the high,
high and low, and in the retracement, we should.
candle closed above, take the entry, stop loss below this low and write the trade. That's all.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Thanks.
Ankit.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah.
Sir, I messaged you also. So my query is regarding the same, the no loss strategy which you taught in the last session. I checked on that. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. That's why I wanted you to show us by an example, so that, because as per my calculation, what I've understood, it was not giving profit. So that is why I messaged you the results also.
No problem. Which stock?
The Titan 10.5 to 10.10 candle 5 minutes.
Tell me any date where it made the loss.
Acha, dates. Okay, sir. I'll just.
Any date.
But I'm not challenging anything. I'm just I'm doing some.
There is no question of challenging here. Nobody can challenge the market.
So I'm just clearing my doubt.
Tell me where you made the loss.
Okay, sir. I'll just.
Tell me the date.
I tried for the month of May. I'm just checking the date. I'm just giving you the date also.
Give me one. Give me one day where it made a huge loss. I will tell whether it is right or wrong.
Okay, I'm just opening my WhatsApp. 1 second, sir. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
So it made the loss on, sir, 6th May. 6th May. 10:05 to 10:10, 5 minutes candle.
6th May, wow.
6th May 24, yes, sir.
Now tell me the timing candle.
10:05 to 10:10.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now tell me.
Sir, what I understood that we need to mark the high and low of the candle. And whatever side it goes, we have to trade that side on retracement. So for example, in this, it went above with the green candle, closed above the high of the candle. So we have to look for long. Then red candle, as soon as it touches the blue line, it means retracement done. We need to take entry from there. So long entry taken from the blue line. Then it went down below the red candle, where it hit the stop loss. Am I correct, sir?
Okay. Now tell me.
So then again, we have to look for, I mean, this came back, then gave the retracement, and then, okay, then we have to go short, is it, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I guess this part maybe something I was missing, because, and then again, I'll give you one more date there. This is, it made a big loss, and then 16th May, 31 rupees loss it gives, 16th May.
16th May. Okay. So now when is the timing candle?
Same 10:05 to 10:10, sir.
This candle.
Yes, sir. Right. So we first entered into the short side. And in this case, sir, it closed above this thing, and it gave the, sir, what is the swing low which we'll be considering? Previous candle, no?
Wait. This is little delicate. Now I'll tell you how to do this. So first of all, a candle closed below, you need to go short.
Right.
You went short. The stop loss is the recent high. Leave this candle. The stop loss is this.
Achha, this one. Okay.
Stop loss not hit, but here it got hit. Yes or no?
Correct.
So you are out of the trade. You are
Right.
out of the long trade.
Correct.
You are out of the short trade. You are out of the short trade because you went short here.
Right.
So then again retraced.
Right.
You need to take the entry.
Correct.
Where is the stop loss?
The stop loss is the previous swing which it made on the lower side.
This low.
Achha, this one.
Yeah, this is the recent low, no?
Okay. Yes, this is the recent low.
So it has not hit your stop loss, and from there it has given you phenomenal money till up to 350.
Okay. Okay. I was taking the previous previous thing, this thing. Okay.
Recent swing low.
Recent swing low. Okay. And one more thing, sir. For retracement, even if that candle comes and touches the blue line, we can consider it as retracement, right? We don't have to wait for the candle closure within the range.
That means retracement done.
Touch me retracement done. And sometimes there are incidences wherein last swing is not visible. I mean, last swing is either very big or very.
Last swing is not visible. Go back and check the last swing. So now in this case, the last swing is this.
So we have to take this big stop loss in that case.
Then no need to trade. You need to minimize your stop loss. As I told you very clearly, you should not lose 1% of your capital. That is the criteria here.
Okay, so that is over and above everything. 1% is the maximum stop loss.
or max 2%. Anything more than 2%, not viable to trade. Suppose if this timing candle is very big on that day, no need to trade, avoid.
Okay.
If your timing candle, let's say this is your timing candle.
Yes.
This timing candle is roughly around 25 rupees. Avoid.
Right.
Wait for the smallest candle, double the quantity.
Right. Sir, just one more date if you can check, because there are two major losses on that 29th May. Two trades were taken.
Sir, in this example which Mr. Ankit has asked, I have some doubt. May I?
Yeah, ask me.
Sir, whatever abhi explaining, in this case, like first case, when from this high and low, the candle broke below. So at the retracement, we went on shorting. Now after shorting, our stop loss got hit at this point itself, no, sir?
Yeah.
Sorry, it didn't hit here, but it hit here. So now with the logic that now it has come above the high of the candle which we marked. So that means our view has turned to long.
Yeah.
So now it has again retraced to the red, the low line.
Yeah.
So we have again made entry here.
Yeah.
For the long. So again our stop loss would get hit, no, sir?
No, boss.
No, it didn't hit. It didn't hit. Yeah, sorry. Correct.
Stop loss, no.
It didn't hit. Yeah, it didn't hit. Correct.
Okay, so now when is
Yeah,
the next?
correct.
Sir,
This is correct.
29th May. 29th May.
Okay, 29th May, what was the timing candle?
10:05 to 10:10.
Okay. Now tell me. So, full year, even if you take this low, this high. So as of now, according to me, long initiated.
Yes.
Stop trigger.
Correct.
But it has not given you retracement. And it happened at 3 o'clock. No trade. See, you went long here.
Firstly, sir, we'll go short now because the red candle closed below the, if you'll check the numbers, exact numbers, it closed below the low of the red candle.
Even if you take 2 rupees, yeah, no problem. You went short, your stop loss triggered.
Correct.
You went long, your stop loss triggered.
Correct. So, correct.
Go check it. But anything after 3 o'clock, because this is roughly around 240, you can take. But anything below 3 o'clock, you don't need to trade. But if you traded, it would have given money. That's a different issue altogether, but no need to trade.
Got it. Now, just one question, sir. In some cases, because I am just going.
Sir, but in this, sorry, Mr. Ankit, but in this case, sir, it has retraced also, no? Sir, this candle, it has broken down, but the next candle only immediately shown the retracement, right, sir?
And boss, it retracement happened, it gave you profit. All that is, I'm not telling no to it. But if this happened at 3 o'clock, then no trade is what I'm telling.
Okay.
Right. So
you can take a trade, but 3 o'clock after, no trade.
Got it. So, sir, what I'm saying, there are some cases, there are some examples wherein, because I am going by the open, high, low, close, which is visible in the screen only. Even if it is missing by 2 rupees or 1 rupees, I am considering it as I'm going as per the book. So in some cases, there is a retracement happening and it is missing by, let's say, 1 rupee, and then a big move will coming. So ideally, we should consider such cases, or we should go by the rules and skip it.
That is where fortune signals comes into the picture.
Okay.
That is where fortune signals will help you.
All right.
You got it?
Yes, sir, because there are some days wherein we missed the trades, and those days were very beneficial days. Ideally, they could have been.
Based on that, there is no long no.
Right. Like 14th May, 7th May were very good days, but we couldn't do the trade because of it missed the retracement.
That is where fortune signals will come for Andy.
Okay, so we have to use this also.
It is in sell. Once it breaks the timing candle low, be ready for the sell. Rather than going long. You got it or not?
Okay, got it, sir, got it. Better go with the double confirmation thing.
That's all, no? That is what you want.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. This will help. This will help in such scenarios where there is a lot of confusion.
If you have any doubt, simply open fortune signals. It will take care of you.
Right. Thank you, sir. And one good thing to share. I traded that call 23,900 yesterday, which you gave for Nifty, and I bought at 33 and got good results today. I couldn't hold it 77, but yes, I got good results. And as per your message, I am holding 1,000 quantity for tomorrow, 24,000 CE.
Let's see.
So I'm hoping it will.
Let's see. Sham.
Thank you, sir.
Sham.
Yeah, sir. Sir, one more thing regarding the order execution. So when I'm seeing the Nifty chart, so whenever it touches the blue line or giving a fake sell, so I need to do market execution or limit order. How to execute in options?
Market only you can do, no?
Okay. Yeah, actually, sometime it pinpoints the blue line and again, fast it is moving like 10 points, 20 points.
Blue you cannot buy. Wait for one candle. After that, you will take the entry. No problem. 2-3 rupees.
Okay. Okay. And the exit, sir, how to confirm the exit, sir? After if you are in buy position, after a sell candle comes and the confirmation.
If you want to follow fortune signals, follow the fortune signals.
Yeah, fortune only, sir. Fortune only. I'm asking.
If you are happy with the profit, exit happy with the profit. If you are to be with the trend, use the fortune signals and be with the trend. It is up to you.
Yeah, sir. In fortune signals only, I'm asking, sir. When to...
If you exit early, you will cry.
No, sir. Just one thing in fortune signal I'm asking. So when to make the confirmation that the trend change is there? So after sell confirmation, one candle I need to wait or two candles I can wait?
One candle below means confirmed.
Okay. Actually, in some scenarios, it is reversing, sir. In today's Nifty, around 1 o'clock.
You should not expect every time you know it will do, no?
Okay. So that's why I'm asking. Okay.
No.
Okay, sir. Okay. Fine, sir. Fine. Thanks.
Utash.
Hello, sir. Actually, I have a doubt in no loss strategy. So, for example, in this Titan company, there are small doji candles. So if can we should we consider that candle for high and low and take the trade based on that small candle?
Simply follow your time. Doji, Gaji, and all no need here.
No, yeah. For example, my time is suppose 10 to 10.
If candle is the candle pattern, you can use it.
Okay, no problem.
If that candle is going to be doji or pin bar pattern or whatever pattern, it will give more confirmation to you.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, Ayush.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Sir, I have a doubt related to blue line. Generally, I take the entry when it touches the blue line and the second candle crosses the first blue line, the first candle. Is it right? Or I have to take entry just when it touches the blue line?
When it touches the blue, alert and take the entry.
Right now I'm waiting for the candle to close the blue line candle.
Whenever it touches the blue line, take the entry. That's all. Plus or minus 2 rupees, don't bother.
Okay. Thank you.
Upendra.
Yeah, Pranam Guruji, shall we start?
No, normally I don't start before clearing the video, before clearing the doubts, because that doubt will mount again and again and again, and you will not move forward. That is why I'm clearing the doubt.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sivraj Sharma.
Sir, in SBI cards, when we see the 1 minute time frame, it has given G buy at 2:30, sir. Sorry, 14:20. Sorry, yeah, correct. 14:26. It has given a G buy in 1 minute time frame. However, when we see in 5 minutes and 15 minutes, 5 minutes, of course, there was a buy given, which is just continuing going on. And in days time frame, if we see, then it appears that G cell got activated quite long back, and now it is in the verge of touching the upper blue line and red line, which it should touch, which is somewhere around 760. But and now in 1 minute it has given G buy, so it appears now it should be in a bullish, and I even this blue line has also come in between blue and red. So, but today I saw that, sir, you have mentioned in WhatsApp that you have exited SBI card. So, would you please, sir, guide that why you have chosen to exit position in SBI card? Because
Normally, see, don't believe me. Normally, I will not hold more than 9 position in my book. Open position. Today,
Yes, sir.
yesterday I bought 5,000 Reliance and today I bought 5,000 Reliance. Today 10,000 Reliance today.
Okay, sir.
And already I am holding more than 8 position and fully loaded Nifty.
Right, sir.
I want to cut something.
Okay.
So according to me, which is the weakest one is this one.
Currently, yeah, it is not showing any move, right?
Okay. And coming to your doubt,
Hmm.
understand who you are and which time frame you are trading. If you start going and trading, if you are trading in 1 minute and if you go and see what is happening in day candle, you will never make money in your life. Stick to your timing is what I am telling. Let it be in 1 hour sell, weekly sell, monthly sell, 1 hour sell, 4 hour sell, 15-minute sell, 5-minute sell, 3-minute sell. Don't bother.
Right.
If you are a 1 minute player, be in 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
If you are a 15 minutes player, don't go and check what is happening in 1 minute. In 1 minute, you will be in sell only.
Right.
Never compare. One is rat, one is elephant.
Right, sir.
If you want to follow rat, follow rat. If you want to follow elephant, follow elephant. In between, if you do, you will never make money.
Got it, sir.
Right. Rahul, but Rahul.
Yes, sir. Sir, with SBI only, if we go with the 5-minute candle chart, the first candle of 9:15 to 9:20, with this long candle, should we think of trading with on the intraday part, or should we think about moving to some other kind of candle which is a smaller one?
You are talking about the timing candle or what
Yes.
candle?
Timing candle 9:15 to 9:20.
SBI card.
Yeah.
You have taken SBI card.
Yes, I have taken, sir.
Okay, chalo 9:50 to
9:20.
Oh, 9:50 to 9:20, yeah.
First candle, sir.
This candle, okay, now tell me.
Sir, since you were just mentioning that with a bigger candle.
I told you very clearly. Mental will trade 9:15 to 9:30. Don't choose those timings.
Okay, sir.
You start from 9:35 or 9:45. When the mental is trading, why you are trading that as a timing candle? As
So
a
I was just thinking about on the timing part. I took the position in SBI card 3 days back.
So now even in this case, open is equal to high.
Yeah.
Once the open is equal to, that is what I am going to teach today. Once open is equal to high, watch this very clearly. Now open is equal to high.
Correct.
15 minutes low is broken.
Right.
I am asking a question. 15 minutes low is broken.
No, sir. Not here.
– 15 minutes high is broken.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open your eyes.
Sir, yeah, it broke here.
So you need to buy, but nothing
Yes,
happening. That is why I always say, when you take the timing candle, go for a bigger stock to get the momentum. These stocks will not give momentum. Understand one thing. These stocks will give you 1 day big move, after that it will sleep.
Right, sir.
You need to go and trade which is in momentum. For example, Exide, granules. That is what I gave you example of Adani, Reliance, which is trading above 2,500.
Correct.
Don't try to trade this. No, this won't give movement at all. What is the purpose of trading every day?
Right now, I have having a position on 7:30 call.
That is different. Why suddenly, see, why you are mixing? That is 7:30 call is fine. But suddenly you are putting the timing candle here. Based on the rules, you need to trade this. I will teach you the rule today how to trade this.
Right.
Got it? Sunil. Last doubt. Sunil. Last doubt. Sunil. Okay.
Hello. Yeah. When you are writing, sir, first 15 minutes candle mark for 15. But sir, my time frame is say 1 minute. So I'll see that it breaks in 1 minute or
You stay with your time.
1 minute. So after 15 minutes, if
For 1 minute, there is no, for 1 minute, it is you and fortune signal. That's all.
okay.
You can use the cyclic line timing cycle. Rest everything doesn't applicable to you.
Okay.
You are on your own. Fortune signals will take care.
So for 15 minutes, it should be 5 minutes break my time.
15 minutes. If you are 5 minutes, 15 minutes on a positional, boss, why you are thinking about that?
Okay.
5 minutes and all positional. If you are playing one intraday 1 minute, then fortune signals will take care, and the first 1 minute candle high and low will take. Go and watch. I have given 10 videos on that. Go and watch that video first. Small videos I have given in 1 minute time frame. I gave already more than 5-6 videos. Watch that. After that, you don't need to trade anything. Simply follow that. You will make money.
Okay. Thank you.
So now we'll go to the chapter. Please, everyone be in mute. So now I am going to teach you how to trade the trend change date. And whatever I am teaching today, this will be the foundation for whatever I am going to teach after. And if you have any doubt, you need to clear this particular doubt today itself. Because after that, I will not teach this. And whenever I say trend change date, then this rule has to be followed. I will not come and tell you that mark the first 15 minutes high and low, that one, this. I will not tell anything. I will teach you today how to trade the trend change date. Very simple, no magic here. I have already taught you, but again I am teaching you. So once you understood, this is the foundation for all the trend change date which is going to happen based on any method. Based on any method, this is the only rule which you need to apply. The first rule itself is very clear here is open is equal to I, open is equal to low. First, when it comes to trend change date, for example, let's take SBI card as having a trend change date today, based on any method. First, you need to watch the first 5 minutes candle, whether it is open is equal to I or open is equal to low. First, you need to watch in the first 5 minutes candle, open is equal to I or open is equal to low. If open is equal to I, if open is equal to high, then there is no buy. Then after open is equal to I, wait for the first 15 minutes candle high and low. This is nothing but ORB, open range breakout. But this will be more effective when it is having a trend change date. Normal date, many people are following this as a normal trade, but no, you need to use this particular method when it is happening on a trend change date. So first, you need to observe in 5 minutes, open is equal to I or open is equal to low. Once it is open is equal to I, wait for the first 15 minutes candle. Once the first 15 minutes candle is done, mark the high and low. Once you mark the high and low, if any candle closes below the 15 minutes low, wait for the retracement, go short, stop loss, I of this candle. If the open is equal to I is done and the 15 minutes low is held, and if it breaks the 15 minutes high, which is the open is equal to high number, the market will fly. The market will fly on the upper side. If the same ulta, if the market is open is equal to low, open is equal to low, And once it is done, there is no question of going short unless and until it breaks the low. If open is equal to low, think that market may not break the low. May not. Sometimes it will break, but most of the time it won't break the low if open is equal to low. Then again mark the first 15 minutes high and low. If it trades within the first 15 minutes high and low, there is no trade for you for the whole day. There is no trade for you for the whole day. If after 15 minutes high and low is marked, if it breaks the high, then wait for the retracement, take the entry, stop loss this low and enjoy the trade. If open is equal to low, then when it is not crossing the 15 minutes high, if it breaks the low, then the fall will be much severe. So this is the rule which you need to follow for any timing candle. Tomorrow I gave Naveen floor. This is the simple method which you need to follow. Tomorrow Naveen floor is there, idea is there. I think 7-8 stocks are there. You need to follow this. So whenever there is a trend change date, this is the first rule which you need to observe. Number one, whether it is open is equal to I or open is equal to low. If open is equal to I, predominantly there is no buy. If open is equal to low, predominantly there is no sell. Once you observe open is equal to I or open is equal to low, mark the high and low of the first 15 minutes candle. If the market trades within the first 15 minutes candle, there is no entry for you for the whole day. Once you marked it, if it is open is equal to I, and if it breaks the open is equal to the 15 minutes low, one candle closed below, this 5 minutes candle closed below, then wait for the retracement, go short here, stop loss I of this candle. For example, it came down close to below, you went short. Once it breaks the high, after going short, once the stop loss get triggered, the move will be phenomenal. Same when it comes to ulta. Open is equal to low. Okay. One thing which you need to observe is, if this open is equal to I and the 15 minutes candle is more than 1.5% of the index or the stock, then avoid trading on that day. Why? My stop loss will be big. My stop loss will be big. So this is the criteria. You can even take 2% also. But I am telling 1.5% is the decent stop loss which we can give it to the market. So this is the rule to trade intraday when it comes to trend change date. The example was clearly here. The example was clearly here in SBI card. Now let's take some other example. What was the stock today was having the highest combo? Which stock? Chambala. No, that is for tomorrow.
Hindustan Copper, sir.
Today in Copra. Today what? Are you sure?
Sir, Mahindra Finance.
Hind Copper was yesterday.
Sir, in case high is marginally above the open.
M&M Finance. Okay. This is M&M Finance. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the first candle. Now, in this first candle, whether open is equal to high or open is equal to low?
It's not open equal to high.
Nothing.
But if you see here, the open and the low, more or less very close. Yes or no?
Yeah, 5 paisa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are marginally close.
Very close. Number one. Number two, the high of that 5 minutes candle and the total 15 minutes candle is less than 1.5%. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But this is according to me, 6 rupees is 2%. So I will not take this candle. If I get a small candle, then I would have traded this. This is more than 2%. So I will not trade this. But still, if it is a 2% candle, simply avoid. Simply avoid. Then after that, it went and closed above retracement, and it gave a profit up to this roughly around 4.5 rupees profit for 4.5 rupees risk. 315 you need to exit intraday. So, but since this candle is very big, I will not trade this candle. Understood or not? If this candle is this much, example, then I would have traded this, because at least I am getting 1:1, 1:2, 1:3. But if open is equal to low or open is equal to high, will be more powerful. Will be more powerful. Now let's go and see some other example. Indian Bank. Okay.
Sir, you mean to say any stock which is trading for more than 2%, high or low, we should avoid that stock.
1.5% itself I'll avoid. Balakrishna Industries. Okay, let's go to Balakrishna.
I have one query.
If you are having, if you are opened your videos, please switch off. Prasanna, will you please keep quiet? I will answer your question. Please. This is today's candle, Balakrishna. So now, mark the high, mark the low. Now, it is clearly open is equal to low. 3175, 3175. Open is equal to low. So,
right.
Open is equal to low. After 15 minutes, this is the 15 minutes candle. But again, the difference between is too huge. I will not trade this candle. I will not trade this candle. If you traded this candle, a candle closed below here, you need to go short here, stop loss this candle high, and ultimately it has not given you any money. Why? Because the first 15 minutes candle is big. Avoid. Wait for the small candle. But you cannot go and check each and every candle, whether the candle is big, small. No. Once you selected 3 stock to trade for your life, whenever the trend change date comes for that particular stock, then apply this rule. Predominantly, you can apply these rules in indices trading, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty. You can apply this. For example, let's go to Nifty today. Let's go to Nifty today, because Nifty had a trend change day today. So this is the first 15 minutes, first 5 minutes candle. There is no open is equal to high. There is no open is equal to low. So that rule negated. So now we need to mark the first 15 minutes high, first 15 minutes low. Whether any candle closed below the 15 minutes low?
No.
Any candle closed above the 15 minutes high?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There is no retracement it has given you. It gave all the money. It gave all the money. Okay. So now let's go to Bank Nifty yesterday. Again, it is 30 minutes high and low, gap down policy yesterday. So now if you go to 25th. Yeah. So this is the first candle. More or less open is equal to open and the low more or less same. The open and the low is more or less same or not?
Right.
So now again, what you need to do? Mark the 15 minutes high, 15 minutes low, once a candle closed above, take an entry on the retracement, enjoy the show.
So the stop loss is about 300 points.
200 points. It is
200 points, sorry.
200 points. Okay.
Nifty was below 75 actually. You had mentioned this number.
Yeah, 75 points because now it is trading at 24,000. So minimum 75 points, and for Bank Nifty you can keep 150 to 200 points.
Right, sir.
Okay. So now this is the rule. This is the rule.
What about sir options, sir?
Forget options. Yeah, that doesn't work here. Whatever happens here, you go and take the trade in option.
I'm asking about sir the SL in option.
This is
The 15 minutes candle low will be the stop loss for option.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry.
Sir, in all these examples, you have taken the first 5-minute candle from 9:50 to 9:20 as an example part.
No, I am checking whether the first 5 minutes candle high and low is open is equal to high or open is equal to low. But I am marking the 15 minutes high and low only. No.
Correct. Right.
I am not marking the first 5 minutes high and low. No.
Yes. This was actually, I am asking in relation with last time when you taught us that any 5-minute candle you should take and you should trade with that candle only for intraday part.
Intraday 1 minute was why you are getting into 5 minutes was.
Sir, in your last session, you with your last assignment, you said that any 5-minute candle you should take and you mark high and low of that candle.
Timing candle, boss. I am taking the first 15 minutes high and low. In that, I clearly said you should not take the first 15 minutes high and low for the timing candle. Why you are mixing both? Why you are mixing both? I told you to select any timing candle on your own. I never said, but take the first 15 minutes candle. Whether I said that? No. Why you are mixing it? That is timing candle. This is how to trade the timing candle. How to trade the trend change rate. Both are different subjects. Both are different subject, boss. When you are going to trade the timing candle, then this high and low, mark 15 minutes high and low doesn't work for you. You need to simply, if your timing candle is this one, then that is the candle. That's all. You should not. All these are nullified for you. You need to trade only based on the candle. You got it or not?
Sir, in today's Nifty, the retracement didn't happen. So in such times, how do we take the trade, sir?
I told you very clearly yesterday also. If the retracement is not done, I cannot go and pull the Nifty to come back and touch your feet. Number one. Number two, if it is not happening, go to the fortune signals, go to the lower time frame. Whenever it comes and touches the blue, you take the entry. Watch the video. Everything is available. Everything is available. How many of you genuinely watched the video? I can bet 90% of the people would have not watched the full video. They are interested in trading. That I know for sure. And that is where all these doubts are coming. Go and watch. If there is no retracement happening, then how to trade? It is done. It is explained very clearly. For example, if the retrace is not come, no problem. No, let him leave it. Tomorrow morning you come and trade. No. What is the urgency to trade now? Who is pulling you? Even if there is no retracement, then trade the timing candle. No. That is also given now. If there is no retracement, no problem. Trade the timing candle. That also I'm giving in the morning also. After I teach the teaching, you know which is the timing candle which you can choose. That also is there. You will get an entry. You don't need to worry about it. Even after all this, if you don't get an entry, say thank you to God that today you are completely free. People always want the BP. 24 hours they want the BP from 9:15 to 3:30. Somehow they want to be in the trade. I told you very clearly, try how to avoid the trade. But people will not listen. They want to be in the trade. Any point of time. Problem is you are marketer. Problem is you are marketer.
Monkey.
So now this is the rule which you need to follow. You need to buy heart this. You don't need to search this. It is there in my normal PPT. If you open this complete page is there in the normal PPT also. This is comes to intraday. Same when it comes
doubt on the intraday part of it. Sorry to interrupt. So what if there is a gap up of 1% and then the first 15-minute candle is also 1%? So in those cases, how do we do it? Should we consider the gap up?
Gap up that even sign low.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So now this is intraday. How to trade the trend change date on an intraday basis. On an intraday basis. Now, when it comes to positional, same rule. When it comes to positional, if you are a positional player, you can trade in 15 minutes high and low, you can take the trade. If it is closed much 80% above the candle high, for example, let's talk about this is the first 15 minutes candle high. You mark the high, you mark the low, you took the trade. Now market closed somewhere here. The overall candle, this is the overall candle of the day. In that the close is above the 80% of the candle high. Then you can lift the position home. You can take the position home. Now, after taking the position, the rule applicable is, this is the daily candle high of the trend change date, including the wick and everything. Mark the high and low. Once any candle closes above, you can wait for the retracement, take the trade, stop loss below this candle, target 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, whatever it is. And you can use the target based on the FS which is available, or you can use, for example, if this candle is 100, then 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. Otherwise, be with FS till the FS gives the sell, you can run the position. You got it? This I already
in this case, FS will be for one day, no? We'll be following one day FS.
No. For this under 15 minutes is enough in FS.
Okay. Okay.
Enough in FS. So this is how you need to trade intraday and positioning. If any trend change rate, I am telling based on any method, then this is the rule. Don't forget this rule. Don't forget this rule. If it is a big gap up or big gap down, then apply 30 minutes. Otherwise, 15 minutes is enough. Otherwise, 15 minutes is enough. But you cannot, there are a lot of, screeners are there for open is equal to I, open is equal to, you don't need all that. Open our ORB, that breakout thing, 9:15 to 9:30, it will automatically mark everything. But try to focus on your own stock. When the time trend change rate is applicable and this rule is applicable, trade on that day must. You cannot track 200 stocks. You cannot track 200 stock. Every day I am posting 10 stock. Can you trade? Today Navin Floor, tomorrow Indicopper, day after Nalco, after that sale, after that Reliance. Can you trade? Not possible. Not at all possible. So if you want to trade only in Nifty, enough for your life. So whenever you are trading Nifty, if Nifty is your hardcore counter, and whenever the trend change date comes, based on any method, this is the rule to trade. Understood? Now, if you have any doubt only in this, Raise your hand. I will answer your question. Sohal.
Sir, I just wanted to know, so you provide right now trend change rate, sir. So we know that there is going to be a trend change rate that is coming up. Sir, but in general, how to figure if there's a trend change rate or no?
This is the second session, no?
Yes, sir.
After fourth session, you will tell me, sir, enough of finding the trend change rate. I don't want more.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will make you to say.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ayush Agarwal. Okay.
Hello. Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Sir, if open is equal to not high or open is equal to not low, then how to trade in trend change rate?
Simply first 15 minutes high and low, no?
If open is not equal to high or open is not equal to low, then how to trade, sir?
If open is equal to high is not there, open is equal to low is not there, simply first 15 minutes high and low.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. SP Patel.
Yes, sir. The query is that, as you told, for a positional trade, I will apply as per the 15-minute first. If the 80% candle close at the end of the day, I will carry forward the position for the next day. Now, for the next day, I have to mark the whole day, previous day's high low also, right?
Yeah.
Trend change day.
Yeah.
So, in case if it next day also it goes up and comes down again and reaches the previous day high, I can add one more position over there.
Of course, yes.
Okay. And according to as per the fortune signal, I handle the position as and when the time frame I am for whichever the time frame I am following, right?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, then not a problem.
Shanmugam. Shanmugam.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, this in positional, when the 15-minute is taken and the high is broken, we are closing above the high, we are buying it across, keeping the low of 15-minute as the stop loss. When you told 80% of the candle, it has to be the last 15-minute candle or the full day candle?
Boss, overall candle, boss.
Full day candle.
Yes, boss.
Okay. Then we can carry forward to the next day.
Yeah, yeah.
And when we have to cut is only as per FS signal G cell.
FS signal are based on the targets, which I will teach you later.
Okay. Yeah.
Selva Mariappan. Ankit Nigam.
Sir, just clarifying this, that what you said, retracement for 15-minute time frame here or going forward for any time frame for that matter, whatever we are using, retracement will only mean touching the upper part, and that's it. We don't have to wait for the closing. Right? Right. Thank you, sir.
Because God will come and touch you. If you are not responding, God will come to Parthasarthi. Responding, he will go to HP Patel.
Got it, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Shanmugam.
Sir, in case if retracement doesn't happen, we will enter or will not enter, sir?
If you ask this question again, hereafter there won't be any webinar. First 1,000 times I am telling you the same answer. Even 10 minutes before I said this, I answered this question. 10 minutes before I answered the same question. If the retracement is not happening, change it to the lower time frame, take the entry. If the retracement is not happening, don't worry, leave the trade. I have told 1,000 times the same question, answer. Again and again people are asking. Please. See, for me, no problem. I will be only beating around the bush in the same topic. Manish.
Yes, sir. Sir, the trend change that we are saying, that the daily combo sheet we receive wherein the numbers are given 5 number, 6 number, that is also for that sheet also the same formula is to be applied which has been taught today.
Yeah, that is how to trade the number.
Okay. The daily we get the sheet na combos. So combo and trend change that both the things we have to apply the same formula.
If it is happening, for example, in the sheet, in the number sheet, for example, Navin floor is coming, and tomorrow Navin
Yes,
dated. Now price converged here, time is also happening.
Okay.
Then both are converged. So mark
Okay.
counter. You got it or not?
Okay.
Okay, right. Why? Last 4 days before, Reliance came for continuously 3 days. Continuously 3 days in that number format. Then the trend change rate come, today bust. Today bust. Okay, Manish.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will be learning the trend change date also, how to find out, or only the combos we would be learning?
5 minutes before I answered.
Okay, sir.
After the 4th session, you will not ask this doubt.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Shivraj Sharma.
Sir, actually, my question was that this TCD rate you have mentioned that return would be 3% or maximum it can be anything. But based on to the combo stocks which you are giving, then you are giving us that there are 4 combos, 5 combos, 6 combos, or 7 combos. They wherein, as per you, the probability of movement would be higher. So, as per your experience, what do you say? Should we stick to the TCD stocks in a better way, in much better way, or we should focus more on the combo stocks where probability is high?
Even that is also TCD only, boss. That's a combination trend change rates.
Okay, that is TCD only. Okay.
Yes, TCD only.
So that means that you will be giving that combo stocks, but if their combo is 7, 8, and if TCD date is matching with that combo stock, then there is
number. It is TCD only. Whatever I am giving for tomorrow, this all are TCD only. But it is having a combination with so many other cycles. That is why it is saying 6 combo.
Okay. Okay. It is same only. Okay.
Same TCD only.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Shanti. Dr. Shanti Vijay Kumar. Selva Mariappan.
Hello, sir. This is Vijay Kumar from Andaman.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm just having one doubt because I'm just new. I have not gone through all those videos. After going through all those videos, I will definitely let you know, and I will definitely going to come across lots of doubts. But presently, I have following this group, and I am having trading experiences since last 1 year. But fortune is new for me. Whenever you are giving sir calls like entered 23,500. I simply got idea that we have to follow the spot Nifty chart with a 1 minute time frame. But what will be the selection of strike price? Sir? I want to know deep in the money or at the money.
Are we talking about the topic now?
Yes, sir.
Are we talking about the topic now? No, no.
No, sir.
When the topic comes, you'll be answered.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Please wait. Selva Mariappan.
Sir, how to trial the stop loss, sir? In case we don't have FS signal, how to trial the stop loss, sir?
Based on your own system, again I'm telling, try to develop your own system. It may be based on EMA, SMA, RSI, MACD, stochastic, Bollinger, anything and everything. But try to develop your own system to trial the stocks. You need to develop your system on your own.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
The next 1 month, you will have one system on your own. That's all I can tell you. Okay, right. So
Okay,
now you understood how to trade. So now we will go to the main topic. So now here we will talk about WDC concept in index. Again, I am telling this concept will work only in index, not in stocks. Predominantly, this date will be the top or a bottom for Nifty, Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty. And this date will come every month. If this date comes on an holiday, then you should not take that as a WDC date. For example, if any other date, for example, there are many trend change date. If that comes on holiday, then you can take the next day. But when it comes to WDC day, if the WDC day is holiday, then you should not take the next date high and low. The date is not, it is void. It is void. It means in that particular month, since it is holiday, that is not the trend change date. Even the WDC date is the trend change date. Only the name is saying WDC. Only the name is saying WDC. Again saying, the WDC date is only for index, not for stocks. If the WDC date comes on holiday, then you should not take the next date high and low, mark the high and low and take the trade. No. It has to come on a working day only. If it is an holiday, then the WDC concept for that month is not available. You can predominantly use this WDC date on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Later on, you can if you want, you can add Fin Nifty. Don't try to apply in mid cap and small cap and all. Simply try to apply this in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and this date predominantly catches the top or predominantly catches the bottom. So now, apart from my old member, if anybody is able to understand what is this WDC, any guess? What is this?
Date.
No Gantt date.
Sir, your book date, sir?
No. No Gantt date.
Magical candle.
Multiple candle. What candle? What candle is that? Multiple candle. No.
Magical candle.
No, not magical candle.
Sir, is it related to planet or some
What magnet?
planet ingress you
Nothing to do with planet.
Sir, moon change.
I told you nothing to do with planet. Moon is not a planet. Nothing to do with planets. Next. Very simple, but mega effective.
So based on
Weekly change
369.
date, weekly date change.
Boss, when I said there is no planet, why you are getting it Amavasya Purnami? Those are all useless. Next.
Trend change date.
I know trend change rate. What is the trend change rate is what I'm asking.
Based on 369 bars.
Okay, I'll give you a clue.
Parthasarathi date. Parthasarathi date.
You can call it as Parthasarathi date. There is no doubt. You can call it as a Parthasarathi date. So now I'll give you one clue. This month. Okay, this month on June month. Okay, 18th is the WDCD.
Is it related with moon cycle?
Boss, I told you again and again and again, you are asking again the same question. Why? I said there is no moon here, no planet here, no Amavasya here, no Paurnami here.
Sir, the date will be same for Nifty, Bank Nifty?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This month it happened on. Why? Any idea?
Sir, maybe in this week, in this particular week, there is one holiday. I mean, you are trading for last.
No.
Sir,
Sorry.
Raise
your hand and answer my question. Whoever it is.
Sir, date of inception of Bank Nifty.
No.
Weekly candle closes above previous week candle.
Wrong. Harinath.
369.
Wrong number. Chala, leave it. I'll give you one more.
Very, very small candle, the most small candle of the.
I know that 2030 it is going to happen. Whether it is going to happen, small candle, big candle, will I know now? No. Say now. Again, I'll give you one more clue. This month, it happened on 18th June.
9-6 combination.
After Bakrid.
What? No idea. Again, no idea. Okay. Again.
No, sir.
Again.
No, sir.
Hello.
Ah.
It may be nakshatra changing.
Oh, please don't put that astro into the thing. No, put that first astro in dustbin now. Let it be in dustbin for some time. Don't think because astro will do magic here. Without astro, market will do magic here. So now one more clue. This year, this date, this month, it happened on 18th June 2024.
For July, it will be 17th.
Why?
Sir, I attended last time class.
Guys, boss, please don't do this. When I'm asking somebody, I am asking why I am asking this doubt again and again, because it should remember in their mind. That is why I'm otherwise I can say the thing immediately. No. Why I am putting this into their mind? Then only they will keep this in the mind.
Yes, yes.
Sohal.
Sir, is it the Western calendar, based on Western calendar?
What calendar?
Sir, Western calendar.
What calendar? Normal calendar.
Yes, sir.
No, Aditya Bhatia.
Sir, it's the 6th month, maybe the total of the numbers as per that.
Yeah.
It's the total is 5 and we are in the 6th month. So next month will be probably 6 and I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Okay, leave it. Now I'll give the answer. It is 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. Which is the year?
I could have never guessed.
So I guessed the exact thing, but I didn't say.
18 plus 6 is equal to 24. So now what is the date for next month?
Wherever the count
17 plus 7.
17 plus 7.
17 plus 7 is equal to 24.
24.
So now what was the last month number?
So we will not add the
19 plus 5.
2024.
19 plus 5.
That's all. Will this do a magic? Will this predict the top and bottom of the market every month?
Can't say.
Sir, in that case, the year is 2024. So should we add 2024?
When I say something, please listen to that. You don't put your mind there. Okay, you don't put your mind there. So now, this is a very simple, no? No Gan, no Nakshatra, no moon, no planet, Amavasa, Purnami, half moon, full moon, quarter moon. Nothing is there here. Very simple, no? Date plus month is equal to year. So will it do a magic?
Yes, sir. Now anything is believable with you.
So let's go and see. So now, when you go here, this complete Excel sheet is for you only, but I will not share the Excel sheet to you now. I will be sharing one by one sheet to you. So now this is the WDC date sheet. So now this is for 2025, 2026, 2027 till up to 2030 it is available. And you don't need to do any homework. Whenever the date comes, you simply trade. So now this is for 2024. Date plus month is equal to year. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Again, last year, date plus month is equal to year. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's go on to the backtesting. Don't ask me how to trade this. I've already taught you. Hereafter, I will not talk about that subject. Mark the first 15 minutes high and low, see whether it is open is equal to high. That's all khatam. Now, simply I will say this is the trend change rate. Now you need to know how to trade this. So now, somebody take this photo. Somebody take a photo of this. Somebody. And wherever I marked yellow color, it is all holiday. Wherever I marked in yellow color, it is all holiday. For example, in 2024, 4th month is holiday, 5th month is holiday. So there is no trend change date. On that day, WDC date is not available because it is an holiday. But remaining all these dates, markets are open unless and until Nirmala or Karmila do something nonsense. These dates, the market is open. And in this case, last year, January is holiday, June is holiday, July is holiday, and August is holiday. Rest all days are working days. Okay. So now somebody take the photo of this.
I have taken, sir, one photograph.
Yeah, very good. So now let's go to Nifty. Daily. Okay. So now let's go and see how to trade this. Okay. So I don't want the chart now. So now go to last year. Now tell me the dates.
Sir, first month it is 22nd. It is holiday. February it is 21st.
February 21st. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, February 21st is working. Next.
Next is 20th, sir, of March.
20th March. Okay. Next
19th April.
19th April. Okay, trading next.
18th May.
Next.
Next 3 holidays, sir. Then 14/9.
14/9. One second.
September.
Okay. Yeah, 14/9 is there. Next.
Next 13/10.
13.
October.
Okay. 13/10 is available. Next.
After that, next 12th, sir. 12th November.
Yeah, 12th November is available. Next.
Then 11th December, sir.
Okay. Then take this photo also. These 3 days.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
I have taken.
Okay. So now tell me those dates also.
23rd January,
Okay.
22nd February, 22nd February.
Okay.
Then March, 21st March.
Next.
Then April and May holiday, 18th June.
18th June.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Well,
now
that's all.
I marked for the last year to till date. So now let's go and see how to trade this. Okay. Watch this carefully. First date. Mark whether the high made or not.
Yes, sir.
Retracement happened or not?
Yes, sir.
So after the retracement, it has given you roughly around till the next WDC date, it gave roughly around 5.5%. 5.5% in the first month.
Yes, sir.
Then you got the next date, again mark the high, mark the low. Retracement happened or not? Retracement happened or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Till the next date, how much percent it has given you?
3%.
3%.
8% done. 5 plus 3, 8% is done or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then you need to mark again this candle low, this candle high. Whether any candle close to below after that?
No, sir.
No, whatever you bought here, you should not exit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Again, you got the next date. Mark the high, mark the low. Whether any candle close to below?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Whatever you bought at 1772, you are keeping shut. Then there is no in the between, there is 3 holidays. So there is no trade. The next date came here. The next date came here. So now again mark the high. mark the low. Then the candle closed below. The candle closed below. You need to get out.
Exit, yes.
Sure. Last warning. You bought here and you got exit here. 14.5% in 5 months. Good or bad?
Very good, sir.
Good, sir. Very good.
Great.
Even GAN date doesn't come near to this. Don't think GAN is very big. Simple things will do wonder. That is how your candles are doing wonder. Till now, GAN people are not able to make money. There is one group I know where many people are members. Until now, whatever he is saying, it is only Ram only. But he is a GAN professional. Last 8 days, he is saying, go short, go short, go short. Till day before, he was having only jetty. And that was removed yesterday. That was removed yesterday. So,
Today they might have removed their langotas also.
all along, he already naked yesterday itself. People are abusing him in the group. Anyway, not a problem. So, simple things will do wonders. You would not have expected, no? Date plus month is equal to year will work like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
You would have expecting something mega thing is going to explain here. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Weekly, monthly, nakshatra, planet, moon, amavasa, in between, half moon, full moon, quarter, nothing.
Yes, sir. I was thinking, so we will be missing this after 31st or 35th year. That's what I'm thinking.
Bullshit. So now again, you exited here. You didn't get the entry for retracement, but you can go short. Then the next candle came here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, it is broken. From here itself, it is gone. It is not broken the previous high, the WDC date. Then again, this candle high is not broken. Again, it came here. Then the next candle is this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very small candle. So again, from here to here, mark the high, mark the low, take the trade. Again, from here to here, mark the high, mark the low, take the trade. None of the candle close to below. Again, here and here. Mark the high, mark the low, take the trade. What a beauty to watch all this. See the support. And what is here? Price, time, boom. Really can't believe it. Yes or no? Whether any candle close to below that?
No, sir.
That is why I say your support and resistance cannot come near to timing candle. Timing candle always do wonders. So now let's go and see the recent one. Mark the high, very small candle. Mark the low. Whether any candle close to below?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
The trend is intact. Till when? Till when?
In next WTC.
17-7.
Till 17.7, the trend is intact. Beautiful.
I have one query.
Sir, awesome, sir.
The query is that, sir, in a weekly webinar, which you say, the fourth cycle would be like a daily day, right?
That is based on cause and effect.
Okay. So I was wondering that it is going continuously, the trade is up. But in the fourth cycle, you are not saying that should not trade that or something like that.
Not the cause and effect method. But this is not cause and effect method. This is Partha's method. Nobody in the world knows this. If anybody is teaching this, then he copied from me. If anybody is teaching this, he copied from me.
Sir, this concept, if we use for selling options, either like for current situation, maybe put selling of 23,500 or 400.
You do option selling or you do option buying. That is up to you how you are going to trade.
Oh, no, I'm just wondering because this seems to be working as a very strong support or resistance. Sorry, mostly support.
It will act as a resistance also. But what I am telling, if you want to sell option, you sell option. If you want to buy option, you buy option. That is all up to you. That is all up to you. If you ask me, I am the buyer. I am not a seller.
I agree, sir. I'm saying because
when I am getting 14% return, why should I why should I go and sell for 140 rupees?
No, I agree, sir. I'm saying if you scroll back a little bit, a number of times it has come and touched the blue and red and then bounced from there, which means that it must be a very good opportunity for put selling.
That is up to you, is what I told.
Yeah.
If you want to do selling, go and do selling. I will only buy.
This strategy is for the positional players who can
100% positional.
Nothing need to worry. I mean,
correct.
Okay, right. So now this is the first trend change technique which I talked to you earlier. Earlier I talked about cyclic line. So cyclic line is the first trend change method which you know in the introduction webinar. If you are not joined the introduction webinar already, Bhagesh would have given you how to trade the advanced cyclic date also. That video is available to you, which has already given you in your WhatsApp, in your Telegram group. If you don't see that video, I will tell again Bhagesh to put that video. You watch that video again because tomorrow I am going to continue the topic in an advanced level. So now, as of now, you know two trend change date. One, cyclic line. Second, WDC. You got it or not? Both are trend change.
Yes, sir.
Trend change date. In the end, you will be having 20. Then after that, your arrow will be like this. Array, which one to use, which one to use. Okay. You will say enough of enough. Okay. Yeah, Manish Pokrana.
Sir, the date of WDC, can we use that particular date for intraday trading also, applying the previous strategy of 15 minutes?
Yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
I'm hearing you, but I will not answer you.
Okay. Okay, I got the answer. Your silence gave me the answer. Sometimes silence also give the answer.
I will not answer you. Okay. So now,
Yes, sir.
the second method. This is the second method. So now, let's go and talk about purity of breakout. Purity of breakout. So now, whenever I teach one method of time cycle, I will teach one method of getting the number to trade. Getting the number to trade. So now this purity of breakout, you can use it in any time frame. It will do wonder. It will do wonder. You don't need to ask me, sir, I bought here, sir, where is the target, sir, that is that. You don't need to ask anything. Everything is on your table. Everything is on your table. So now, for that, for example, many people said that this is the purity, this is the breakout, yes or no? They said this is the breakout because based on the technical people, this is the breakout, yes or no?
Right, sir.
Absolutely wrong. They said the market is breakout, retest buy, next day gap up, screwed. So this is not purity of breakout. If you go with the technical, 99% you fail. If you go with the breakout, 99% you fail. Okay. So now, what is purity of breakout? For example, I will give you in first 5 minutes time frame. Then the same thing will applicable in even in 1 day, weekly, daily, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, yearly, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So now let's go and see how we should have traded today in Nifty today. Okay. Based on the purity of breakout. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. So if you are going to trade based on the high and low of previous day, then you need to mark the high and low of the previous day. Okay. So now let's go first start with the day candle. Then we will slowly come to the 1 minute candle. So now, previous day, the high was 23,754. Yes or no?
Right, sir.
Sir.
23,562. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now I will share this Excel sheet to you. You don't need to do any work. Simply go here. Copy this. Paste it here. Now write Nifty. What is the high?
23,564.
754. Then what is the low?
23562.
562.
562.
So based on the yesterday's candle, the purity of breakout is here. This is the first purity. This is the second purity. This is the major one. This is the major one. So now let's go to the high of today. 22. What is the number? 22?
23.
754.
782, 799. So now it closed above. It closed above or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
Yes, sir.
it's a
Yes.
But we will be missing this entire rally, no? This from the low to high we are missing, no? See, it says purity of breakout is 22,799. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right.
But we missed all this rally, no, in the downside. We didn't based on the purity of breakout. So now what? Now I am changing into 1 hour candle. Now to trade this. So now if you go here on 25th, this is 20th. Okay, this is 20th, high and low. Now I need to trade. So now this is the high and this is the low. So now what is the high? 23,667. So now again I'm going here. 23,667. And what is the low here? 23,550. Got it. Now my entry is 23,713 or 23,742. If I trade based on the 1 hour candle, I already told you the daily candle. I already now telling you the 1 hour candle. Now we will go to the 15 minutes candle. So the 15 minutes candle again, here is the high and here is the low. Same, it won't change. So now let's go to the 5 minutes candle. So the recent high again here is 15,587.7. So 23,586. Then the low is 23,350.
330.
Now where is the entry?
642.
No, you need to mark both. You need to mark both the line. So now 23, 6.
Oh,
620.
642.
642 and 640, 620. Yeah.
620.
This is the purity of breakout. Once it breaks this, see how beautifully from year to year, exactly it got rejected here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now it is one become here, the candle closed here, gave the retracement, and now Pradeep. Now you bought here. Now where is the target? So now if you go here, the targets for this, the target for the first breakout is here.
Sir, this didn't understood this concept properly. Please re-explain.
What explain? That is what I'm explaining. Wait. So now that once this number is crossed, the major number is crossed, then these are all the targets on the higher side. Now, once this number is crossed, these are all the targets on the higher side. So the maximum target based on the high and low which we took on the 5 minutes time frame, once it crosses above this, the last target based on this is 23,931. 23,931. In this, there are 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The center point number is very, very crucial. All these numbers will act as a resistance, but from year to year is one price cycle. So, based on the low and high which happened here, once it crosses 23,642, the target is 23,931. So, what was the last number? 23,896.
$931, sir. Oh, okay.
Whatever. You don't need to ask me where is the target. Everything is with you. You can use this method or you can use your first targets also. But this will give you where is the breakout happening. It will avoid the fake breakouts. People will say previous 10 days high is broken, then breakout done. No, bullshit. It is fake. The purity of breakout will comes based on a specific numbers. So let's go and do the same thing in 1 minute. Now I'm going to 1 minute. Suppose if somebody is trading based on the 1 minute. Okay. So now again, this is the predominant high. This is the predominant low, which happened today. Or you can go to the previous day high and low. This is the high. And this is the low. Okay. So now what is the high? 23,618. What is the low?
It's 23,618.
23, sir.
23,601.
01. 618 boss.
Sorry.
Then the low is 23,562. Okay. So now where is the purity of breakout?
626.
23,631.
631.
Sir, any time frame we put the high and low for that day will remain same, no?
Yes.
So now only we have to put the high and low, automatically this will calculate, then on 1 minute we can enter based on the purity.
If you are using 1 minute time frame. Got the breakout? Got the retracement or no? Got the retracement or no?
Yes, sir.
Very clear. Yes.
No, where is the last target?
23,700.
What is the last target here? When you are trading in 1 minute, you can take the entire target. What is the last target?
23,750.
Beautiful or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you can use this even in stocks. That's the beauty of this. Any time frame you can use it and you will get the precise target. Chetan.
Muted him, sir.
You will get the precise targets. So now, based on the recent high and low which happened in daily, this high and this low, this high and this low, the purity of breakout is already here. So now, based on the purity of breakout, any close above this number, the possible target is this. Or at least the next possible target is this. Daily. You got it? Now, based on the Bank Nifty recent high and low,
Because it's a middle number, sir.
any close above this number, the next possible target is this, the next possible target is this. Now, you can also write the PPT now, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can also start writing the PPT. But I do a little bit of work when I write my PPT, but this is predominantly you can use it. Then I will go and combine with Gann numbers. I will go combine with Ichimoku numbers. Then I will write my number. But this is a simple plain state, no?
What about downtrend, sir?
Now let's go and analyze any stock. Okay. So now let's go. Which stock you like? Any stock you like?
IEX.
Reliance.
IEX.
Sir, before moving to any stock, I have one query.
Yeah, go ahead.
As you told, a purity of breakout, right? So how we would know that tomorrow it's going to give a purity of breakout only?
No, you know the number now. When it closes above, it is purity of breakout.
So for example, for today's, we need to take a previous 2 days number, or for a daily we need to calculate and we need to put the number.
No. You should not, for daily and all, you should not calculate the daily high and low. The recent high and low will be the purity of breakout daily. This is the consideration.
Okay.
Not this high and low, no.
Okay. We need to take a significant high and low, you want to say.
For example, if you are trading here, this is the high.
Right. This low, okay.
So for example, let's go and take this low and do the working. So now what is this high? 22,768.
768.
Okay. So let's go and see the same thing. 22,
768.
Okay. And what is the low?
Low.
21,
777.
So 21,
777.
51,1778. Okay.
Yeah.
So now where is the purity of breakout?
23,002.
23022. Yes or no?
Yes.
Whether the breakout happened based on this? No.
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 That is not breakout. If you think this is the breakout based on the technical analysis, you are packed out.
Okay, so that was the reason previous poll, exit poll failed, that one.
Please don't put the event here.
Okay.
We are not bothered about what is happening outside. They are all noise.
All right.
They are all only noise. If you add that into this, your pant will be ripped.
Okay.
Time market knows everything much before, whether the event is going to come or not. Everything market knows much before.
Right.
How we are writing that third June will be the high. It is happened, 10 years before. It is not happening now. Market knows everything much before. Whatever you are seeing, it is a postmortem.
Right.
Whatever news you are seeing, it is postmortem.
Okay.
Don't come and put, if the event happens, be happy that it is going to give a move.
Okay.
But based on the purity of bracket, whether it is a purity of bracket, no. You got it or not?
Got it.
Again here, let's take this eye. So now what is this eye?
22,783.
This
This candle 22,794.
Okay, let's go. 22,794. Then
So
what is the low?
low is 21,821.
21,821. So where to buy?
23,024.
Perfect eye, yes or no?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we need to even wait for a candle closing also.
Yeah, we need to wait for the candle closing, but it is not closed.
And yeah, and then the retracement, and then we can take it. Okay.
Right, let's go and talk about any stock.
Sir, one question, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
can we
question,
use
we
the
also
zigzag
check the
indicator
time
to
frame.
find the high and low?
Raise your hand, I will answer the question. Shanmugam. Shanmugam. Manish Pokrana.
Sir, can we use the zigzag indicator to find the high and low?
Not at all you can do. Not a problem at all. Sivraj.
Sir, purity of breakout you are teaching us, but as such you have always indicated that breakout doesn't mean that it will be going bullish. It can be bearish also. It can break below also. Now in your sheet, high, low, there are two series of numbers. One is the top numbers, below the low numbers.
Below, no. Above this bullish, below this bearish. Very simple.
Right. So we need to calculate both these, put both these numbers over there for purity of breakout, so that anywhere it breaks, we should go ahead with that.
You first mark these four numbers.
Okay.
Whichever comes first, after that you add all these numbers.
Okay.
Once it breaks this number, so for example, based on that high and low, where it has to break 21,679, yes or no?
Correct, sir. But it never crossed it.
It never close to below.
Yeah, it is always above it. That means the view of bullishness is intact over there.
Yeah. Okay, you got it. So now the major number is 22,591, yes or no?
Right, sir. So, sir, why we are always going for the second set of number? First set of number, we are not relying much, right?
No, that is where the purity lies.
Okay.
That is where the purity lies.
Purity lies. So that means the reliability factor of the second set of numbers is the highest and is being honored here also.
Yes. So now what is this? Why? How I am getting this number? What is the thing behind this?
Sir, that you need to teach.
Nothing. Very simple.
That's a degree.
It's not a degree. It's a
90 degree, 180 degree.
Ah. So I mark the high, I mark the low, I got the difference, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The difference between these two number is 2058, yes or no?
Yes.
When it comes to the breakout, if I take 0.16 percentage of this number, 0.146 percentage of this number, then this is the first purity. Then if I take 0.236 of this number, then that is the second purity. So what I will do? I will add this first purity number with this number. I got this number, yes or no?
Yes.
So this is based on fib. Is this fib ratios?
Of course, yes. So now, this number, when I add to this number, I get the second major number, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what I did? After I got this two number, then I started adding this number with this number for the next target. That's all. Simple working. But that's miracle.
So, but how do you arrive to this number 0.236 and that logic we didn't got? I mean, why that number only? I mean, not specific any 1.1 or 0.5 or something like that.
That's how the market works. The first Fibonacci number is what works for us, and this is based on too much of backtesting.
Sir, so I request you, will you please explain once more the same line? Means why we just had 0.6%, then to 0.236. Means from that and how we added the number. I just please repeat, sir.
Very simple, boss.
Yeah.
I put the high and put the low. Whether you understood this first point.
Yes, sir.
Then I take the difference between these two.
Right.
The
This is
difference two is 2058. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if I take this column 2058 into 0.146, then I get.
Right, sir.
For example, this one into 0.4146. I got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Then the second number, second purity of breakout is 0.236. So now
Right.
I'm going here and I put 0.236. How much I got? 486.
486, right.
First, I added this 300 points with 2339. I got the number.
Right, sir.
Then I added 486 with this number. I got the second number.
Right, sir.
Then the first breakout, I added the first number, this one.
Okay.
Then I got this number.
Okay, the first breakout you got the first number. You got we got that 23,940, and onwards, sir, the 23,825. matlab that second breakout.
Understand this?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
23639. I added 300. Then I got this first number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then after this, I added same 300 with this number. Then I got this number. Then same
Yes, sir.
with this number, I got this number. Same 300 with this number, I got this number. Same 300 with this number.
Yes. Okay, the right, sir. The first number matters.
Okay. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
then the second one is the major breakout. Then first I add this number with this number. I got this first number.
All right.
Then again, this number with 486, I got this number.
Oh.
Then 24,796 with added with 486, I got this number. Again,
Very
2482 added with this number, I got this number. Till 9 cycles. This is the perfect cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One cycle get over.
All right, sir.
Sir, but this 0.146 and 0.236 is constant always?
Constant. Okay. Yeah, Prasanna.
Sir, after we derive this number, when the purity of breakout happens, the lower number we can use it as a trailing stop loss kind of a thing, sir?
Of course, yes. For example, now you are entering, let's say 23,825. You entered. Now where is the stop loss?
2795.
23,639.
Ah?
Sorry, 23,639.
The stop loss is 23,825 minus 486.
Oh.
The stop loss, if you enter based on this number, the stop loss is 23,639 minus 300. Because this is roughly around 3,000 points, my dear. 1:10. You got it or not? Don't think this is the number. It works. I'm not telling no, it works. Let's go and see this in a stock. Okay, so now let's go and see in everybody's worried about IEX. So we'll go to IEX.
On basis of this only, you told Reliance 3030 will hit.
You take anything, boss, it will work. Just for your understanding, I am taking. Okay, so now let's go here. Let's go to IEX.
You will share this sheet, right?
No, it is only for me. Boss, what I told you, I will be sharing this sheet. This sheet is only for me, not for me. It's only for you. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir, Shanmugam here, once this purity of breakout is done and based on the breakout, if we do the trade, so we have to wait till 9 cycles to exit?
No, that is based on the fortune signals or based on your own signal, whatever. I am telling you the probability of reaching to that number. Suddenly, if it turns, what you will do?
Okay.
I am giving you the tentative path. You use your system based on that. If it gives the sell, you need to exit from the number. So now let's go and see IEX in daily. Okay, so now let's talk the previous 1 year. High is 157, low is 151. Yes or no? Sorry, this is 157. So now let's go and put first 157. Then what is the low? 129. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sleeping, Sleeping,
No, sir.
No problem. So now where is the purity of breakout?
164.
164.
See how it got rejected there. And from there, 164, how much it came down to? 133. But if you take the technical analysis, this is the breakout, no?
Yes, sir.
Pentagon? Pentagon or not? Chalo. So now let's take the next time. This is the next time. What is 160? What is the low? This is 160. And what is this low? 139.38. Take 139. So now where is the next entry? Next
165.
150.
Bang on. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, based on this, because this is the recent high. So now, this is the 165 and the low 134, 172. So now, based on this, the breakout is already happened. So now, where is the target? Now only people are up. I bought IEX, I don't know where. Now at least it is closed at the high. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mental masturbation. Mental masturbation. So now 172. So where is my first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So where is the possibility of touching?
192.
210, but 192 is critical.
Sir, crucial.
When it comes to stop, first 192, then 210, then in between these two, is 183, and in between these two is 201. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now from 174, the first target is 183. Done. So where is the next target?
201.
201. So possibility that it will go to 201. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
On the top side, everything is right. Where is the stop loss now?
Minus 43 points.
Once this number is crossed, the stop loss is this. Once this number is crossed, the stop loss is this, or the stop loss is the second number. So whenever the stock moves by two targets, below 2 is your stop loss. You can use this as a number stop loss, or you can use fortune signals or whatever your system as a stop loss. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Now, tomorrow, if you want to trade Nifty, let's go and see tomorrow Nifty. One minute. Now, this is the predominant high.
Yes, sir.
What is the high? 23,860. What is the low?
23,803.
04 or 803, whatever it is. 23,803. So now where is the purity of breakout?
23,873.
Tomorrow, if it breaks, you can take a long. This is for tomorrow.
One query, sir. One query, sir. Sir, if I've taken actually the high which was happened earlier of the day, but there was another high also happened. Is there anything that timing we have to take before?
No. You can take even this has happened yesterday. That is why I'm not taking this.
Okay. Okay.
This high and low for today's trade, no. This is 25th, no.
Okay. Okay.
You got it or not? This candle high and low is 25th, no.
Correct, sir. That is for today.
27th, no. So 27th, you need to take the 26th recent high and low, no.
Okay.
Or not.
Sir, in all the examples, when you've taken high and low, high you've taken before ahead of the low, candle.
Yeah.
So what if the sequence was to be changed?
No, nothing has to be changed. Yeah, see, if you take today's market.
Right.
Major high happened here. After that, the major, there are a lot of highs and low happened here. But
Right.
you see, this is the predominant high and low.
Oh, okay, sir. I think I understood. So,
All this high and low is 30 points, 20 points, but this is the only one which is having roughly around 60 points.
Okay. Okay.
That is why I have taken this high and low.
But in sequence, it can be other way around also, that the low is coming ahead of the high, predominant high.
No, you need to, when you are trading, when you are taking this number, it should be high and low only, not low and high.
Got it, sir. Got it. Clear.
got it, sir. So wherever the low happened, before that, wherever the high happened, you have to consider for the previous one.
Yeah. So now
There
let's
should be a corresponding high and the corresponding low.
yeah. So now let's go here. This is Bank Nifty. This is the high, and this is the low. So tomorrow we need to trade. Let's go and see for both sides, long and short. Okay. So now, what is the high? 52,758. 52,758. Then what is the 52,730? 52,958. Sorry, 52,958. 52,7. Okay. So now, where is the purity of breakout?
53,012.
So now 53,012.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now the next number is
52,991.
Perfect.
So for tomorrow, if it is above 52,991, we take the trade.
53,012.
Okay. Got it.
And sir, what about downside?
Now downside. Where to go short?
52,676.
52676. 676 would bounce back, no, sir?
And 52. What is the other number? 52.
900 something.
676.
697.
Oh, damn.
So we need to be shorting at 52697.
52676.
676.
676.
Perfectly getting that top. Perfectly getting that bottom. Because nobody knows these secrets and all. Even GAN people doesn't know this. I'm telling you seriously. Even those who are teaching GAN doesn't know this. They only blabber according to me.
No, sir, we will not let you read that.
All this to others. If you sell this for money, God will kill you. God will come and help you according to me. That's all I can tell you.
No, sir. We are abide by winter.
For yourself. You do whatever you want to do, but keep it with you.
Sure, sir.
Definitely, sir. We will.
For life, sir.
It's a great gift, sir.
So this is
Definitely,
the
sir, for us.
entire life we can use the formula you are going. Why to sell this to other? Earn for self for entire life.
People will do, boss. This time two competitors joined. One competitor is in the line. One competitor is in the line. He is trying with so many other numbers to join. And we are blocking everywhere.
How do you come to know, sir?
That and all we know was in 1 second we will know.
Okay.
Understand one thing. When I ask what is your professional background means, you need to understand you are in check. For many people I asked in this group. Go and check.
At least I have no hesitation in sharing my professional background, where I'm positioned.
I don't want that. But
and probably, I'm sure we all can do.
No,
Just to clear
No. See,
so that we can be peaceful in the group.
No. Two months back, one competitor joined. He's from Tamil Nadu. He's also taking classes. He's also doing everything. And in the second meeting itself, I got to know. Then I called him and asked, Arvind, you are also doing the same thing. This is not fair. Take the money and run. He told me, sir, I am teaching something else, but I want to learn something from you, especially on the timing. And honestly speaking, I will send you my webinar thing. Whenever you want it, I will send you the webinar. I will not talk about any of your method to my students. And it's my promise. And today he messaged me, he wants to give me 25 lakhs to manage his money. And he is teaching people. And I said, no problem. If you are ready that you are not going to sell this to anyone, for me, no problem.
Correct.
I'm ready to entertain you. But if you come with fake number, fake name and all, we will get it. We will get it. Last month, 19th batch, one guy came from Coimbatore, my own city. He is there in the next maximum 2 kilometers. Whatever I am writing in my WhatsApp group, he is pasting in his group, including my dialogue also. Use it wisely. Same dialogue. Use it wisely. By mistake, another Coimbatore member is there in that group.
Sir, many of us are part of other groups also. So wherever we see any such thing, we will share it with Bhagesh. He can review and flag you.
How I got this? One of my members said, sir, your number and your same Kachara English is there also. My English is Kachara. The same Kachara English there also. Then I opened this thing. He shared the link. Then I saw completely photocopy. Tongue, it is doing. Then I called him and said, Baba, you are using my number. I am removing from the group. Take the money and go. I don't want this money. I said, take the money and go. He said, no, sir. I never used any of your numbers. Somebody is talking wrong about me. Bullshit. Then I posted all his messages to him. Then he started, sir, I know how to get this number and all. Then why you joined? Okay, chalo, you know how to get this number. Bloody, why you are using my own same stupid English there? Okay. Then he said,
No, I
no.
promise you, sir, wherever we notice, we will flag it to Bhagesh. He can review and then share, inform you.
Not only now, I have many people to do only this. They only brought me, sir, every day minimum 5, fake channels are coming. How? Do you think I am doing the work? All my member will do. All my member will do.
But they're posting your face and name.
I cannot help it, no. Bloody, at least they can put some Shah Rukh Khan photo, at least they will get 2-3 clients. Why they are putting my photo, I don't know. That's how it was.
Sir, you are Shah Rukh Khan of financial industry, sir.
That's okay, boss. Thanks a lot. Okay, sir.
We are happy to have you, sir.
Let's talk about tomorrow's trade. Let's go to Naveen flow. Okay, so now Naveen flow. 1 minute. Wow, this is the predominant low and predominant high. I think it is not going to work out. Let's go and talk M&M Finance. Tomorrow M&M Finance is there, no? No. Tomorrow Apollo Tyre. Chalo. Even I am holding position. Let's go to Apollo Tyre.
Sir, doubt. Sir, levels marked by the levels generated by the low, can they act as a support?
Yeah. So now this is the high, this is the low, this is the high, this is the low. But when you take this is the predominant high and this is the predominant low. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right, sir.
So now let's go here. 520. Okay.
Sir, to find the predominant high and low, we can put zigzag and take that high low also.
But in 1 minute, zigzag will not work, my dear. My eyes will do better job than the zigzag. Zigzag doesn't work in 1 minute. Okay. Even it will give pain to you. So now what is the low? 5:15:50. Okay. Now where to buy?
521.
521.
521.
Where to sell?
Five one
514.
514.
In between? Tomorrow in between?
Market side.
No trade.
No trade.
That's all. That's all.
Sir,
Okay. So whenever, for example, your counter is Apollo Tyre, and tomorrow it is going to be the trend change rate, because I am giving the trend change rate before the market closes. You will know what is the trend change rate for stocks for tomorrow. Why I am giving that? So that you will do the homework. And you are prepared based on the recent high and low, you are prepared to take the trade for tomorrow. That is the homework which you need to do today to take the trade tomorrow. So now you know very well, tomorrow if I want to do trade in Apollo Tyre, it has to cross 521 or it has to cross 514 for the short term. In between, there is no trade, I sleep. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. So like that, you can do. So now this sheet, I am going to give it to you. Separately, I will give it to you. And this WDC date, I will give it to this. This is just a, just a typing thing. So these two things which I covered today, I will give it to you. Then I will be giving you this one. I think this you don't need. It is already there in our normal PPT also. So you can go and check. Okay. So now.
Doubt, sir. So when we are following those light green cells that you have marked, right? Those 9 cycles. So we need to follow only light green and we should not refer to the dark green one, that is
No.
0.36.
The purity of breakout is the second number. That is the purity of breakout.
Okay. No, on the right hand side, there was some cells in dark green, right? So we should not mix them up, right?
sir, he is referring to where you have added
Those are
486.
targets. Those are targets.
That's not a target, boss. The first 2 number is the entry point. The rest everything is targets.
Okay.
The next 9 numbers are targets. Okay. Right. So now before you go to sleep, I want to give you goosebumps.
Sir, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, same example of Apollo Tyre, you said if we can buy about 521 and we can sell below 517. Tomorrow is the trend change date. If we mark high, tomorrow is the trend change date for Apollo Tyre. We will mark the first 15 high and low for that. Suppose it comes between the 521 and 517. So then how to trade? Then we trade if it breaks the high or not.
Based on the timing candle, first 15 minutes I am. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you want to trade based on that, you trade. But the breakout will happen only above 521.
Okay.
Till the time it may close above 15 minutes high also. There is no problem. But the breakout will happen only above 521. Then write the trend. So now let's go and do for Reliance. Shall we go and do for Reliance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And please also share that PPT which you have shown right now, because everything is written, the rules and everything. That would be easy for us to understand.
Don't worry. So now this is 24 and this is 25. So the high is 2898.55. Okay. 28. 2898.55. Okay, 2899. 2899. Okay. Then where is the low? Two 2884. 2883. Okay, 2885 point. Okay, 2886. This is yesterday's high and low. So now where to buy above? 2902.
2902.
90.
Okay. You got the entry or no?
Yes, sir. Got entered date right.
Got the entry? Okay. So now let's go to the first target. The first target is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2910. The next target is 2918. The next target is 2917. And the next target is 2930. This is 1 minute. So now if you go and do the same thing in 15 minutes. So now the recent 15 minutes high and low is this. So what is the high?
2966.
6. And 2875. So where to buy?
2987.
About 2987. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your first target?
3046.
3038 as of now done. So the next target is 3056. So if you want to go and try in 5 minutes time frame. So again, the 5 minutes time frame also this big. Maybe if you want, you can take this one, which is
2920.
Sorry, 2920. The low is 2875.
75.
Okay, so now where I need to buy?
2931.
And 2927. Purity of breakout. Exactly consolidation there. Then again, where is the first target? 2986. You got the number or not? 986. Then where is the next number? 3026. Game over, go to sleep. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, whichever stock you are going, which you are concentrating, just 2 minutes work. Just 2 minutes work. You can put the high and low and you will get the number, you can finish it off. Got it?
Yes.
So this predominant low and predominant high, is there any simple method to find out?
That is what you can, I told you to put the zigzag.
Sir, I was just checking on the screen regarding the zigzag. So he's taking very long period actually.
Of course, yes, you need to minimize it. In 5 minutes, it will not give you. You need to use your eyes. So in this, you can put 3, 3. It's also very difficult. That is why in the lower time frame, you need to use your eye. Boss, if you cannot go and check for the last 4 days the recent high and low, what can I do? You want everything in the spoon and you want me to put in your mouth up.
No, sir. We are ready to take the effort, but I was just that it was getting me confused that which high to be taken and which low to be taken.
Second low was market will work. You don't get confused. You take anything, market will work. But based on your eye, see which one is the predominant IM. That's all I'm telling you. It will work in 15 minutes, but in 1 minute, 15 minutes and 5 minutes and all, it is very difficult. It is very difficult for zigzag to map it. Little bit of homework, boss.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you check for Bajaj Finance, please?
Kindly do the homework on your own, okay?
Okay.
So now, before going, I want to show you something. So now I don't want the zigzag everything. So now, this is Nifty daily. And this is trend line. Maybe one trend line like this or one trend line like this. Do whatever trend line you want to do. But this trend line will act as a support and resistance for the market, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to find the top of the market? How to find the top?
So you can take inverse of this one. You
One
can
line
take
from the
inverse.
high.
What is that?
Inverse of this line.
Inverse of
One
this.
line from the high.
Oh, this one you will put it here. Huh? You will put it here. No. Remember, whatever happened in the past will be repeated in the future. So I mark the high, I mark the low, which happened 3 months before. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Based on this, I can get you the bottom date by simply using the same thing and putting it on the top. So now, after this is the predominant. Now I can use zigzag. Because it's in daily, it will automatically plot my high and low. Yes or no? So now based on this zigzag, if I make it to 7.5 or whatever, 7, whichever you like, even there also it is not happening. So now let's go on C5. So based on this, it says this is the I. So now if I take the same angle, if I put it here, on the top of this candle, and if I mark the low of the candle, that will be the top candle or a bottom candle. So now again, wherever I put this one, it will give me the next trend change date. Next trend change date. For example, this is on the top side. So now let's go and do the bottom side to make the high. So now from here to here. This is one angle. So now clone, and if I put it in the bottom, I will get the next trend change date. Again, if I put it in the bottom, I will get the trend change date. Again, if I put it in the bottom, I will get the next trend change date. Again, if I put it in the bottom, I will get the next trend change date. Based on the angle which happened in the past, it predicts where the top is going to happen, or a top or bottom is going to happen. Based on that, mark the high and low, take the trade. So for example, if you take the bigger version, I always use a bigger version. So if it is 1:10, so now this is, let's talk about this I. Yeah, bro. Yeah. What is that? I'm not able to get you. What you are talking? I'm not able to clear your language. I'm seriously, I'm not able to understand you, what you're talking. Volume, volume. Yeah, of course, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. You are from which batch? Yeah, please, I am in a webinar now. Give me a call tomorrow morning. Thank you. So now, based on the bigger thing, this is the first trend change date. And the next trend change date, you can mark from this I. So the next trend change date will happen here. Again, mark the high and low, take the trade. So like this, wherever you go and put, that will give you the exact trend change date. But you should not use this in every 15 days, 30 days and all. Minimum 3 months high and low. Minimum 3 months high and low. And that too the predominant high and the predominant low. And you can use it for the next 10, 20 years. And you can simply mark it in the high. When you are taking from high to low, then every high, if you mark, wherever it's going to come, from there, if you mark this cloning, it will give you the trend change rate. And from low to high, you can use it for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Whatever, see, when it comes to index, there are certain things which are predominant time cycle, and there are certain time cycle which are supplementary time cycle. For stocks, it is separate. For index, it is separate. I will teach you for the stocks, which are all the time cycle which you need to use. For the index, which are all the time cycle which you need to use. Right from the top one, the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, up to 1. Like that in stocks, 10, 9. 10 is the topmost. So that should be your base. That is the predominant time cycle. After that, you can use any other time cycle for the supplement. If you ask me, I use Astro as my predominant thing. Rest all supplement to me. This WDC, cyclic line, even this trend line method, all are supplementary to my Astro. For stocks also, there will be one major time cycle which will have a major say when it comes to stocks. Rest all, whatever I am going to teach you on the time cycle, that is all a combination or a supplementary to the main cycle. You got it or not?
Yes, sir.
All are sleeping, all gone. I know that.
No, sir, we are not take members.
No, sir, we are listening to you.
I know that. Anyway, it's already 12 o'clock. Go fresh, and we need to trade tomorrow. And predominant, mostly on 1st of just a minute, I'll tell you.
July.
Yeah, 1st of Monday, we are going to trade live. Okay.
Great.
Because 29th is the Saturn date, so it is on holiday. So normally I try to trade on the train change date. So Monday holiday, we will Monday trading day, we will do live, and I am requesting if you are an office goer, kindly proceed to office. You will get the video, no problem. Watch it, enough. Don't take holiday and all. You proceed to your office. Those who are a full-time trader, attend the session. I will try to trade live with you. Let's see if there is any best opportunity. I will take a trade in front of you. You will also, if God is there, you will also make a profit or you will also make a loss. That God will decide. Okay. So
Yes.
most probably Monday, the first live trading session will be there. And most probably Bhagesh, I don't know, Sunday, I think most probably you will do the mind training session. Or in case if you are anybody from Bombay, you can attend that time training session on, I think on Sunday or Saturday, I think Saturday. So most probably I will also be there. If possible, we can meet. Okay. And
Okay,
this video, you will get it tomorrow morning. Okay.
Sir, you are
Okay,
coming
okay,
to
sir. Thank
Mumbai?
you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Tomorrow night, Friday night, I'm planning. I'm moving to Mumbai.
Okay. And where it is?
I seriously don't know. I will just get down at the airport, rest everything Bhagesh will take care. I don't know where to go, where to come.
I
Okay,
think
okay,
that's
okay.
pinned on our Telegram channel.
That and all, you talk with Bhagesh, no?
Sir, one last query about the PPT related. Can you just open the PPT and just show a PPT, daily PPT which you share? So there are multiple numbers are there for specifically Nifty and Bank Nifty which you are sharing. So there is a weekly number, there is a monthly number, then there is an intraday number. So how we need to understand which we need to follow, which not to follow? Just rough idea if you can give it us.
If you are an intraday player, intraday number. If you are a positional number, PPT, positional weekly number. If you are a monthly player, monthly number. If you are a weekly player, weekly number. What is this question?
No, I was wondering because I was just marking all the numbers on my charts and
don't mark the line. First of all, try to mark that 4 lines in the future.
Okay.
That is enough. Try to trade that. But you cannot do anything now because the month is going to expire. Tomorrow night, I will give you one number.
Okay.
That one number is for the entire month of July.
All right.
I will add 3 more numbers tomorrow. Just to mark the 4 lines in the July futures.
Okay.
What's the magic? What's the magic? First start with the 4 numbers, then you can add the targets.
Okay.
Got it? Don't get confused. See, my request is don't get into my PPT now.
Okay.
Try to concentrate on fortune signals.
Okay.
Next 15 days, concentrate on the subject and concentrate on the fortune signals.
Fine.
Okay, okay, sir. That's where.
That is what is going to give you conviction to sit with the trend. Sitting with the trend is the major problem. Today, many people exited Reliance in 10 rupees profit. Later on, they called me and said they are crying literally. They are crying. Why? The past influence. Earlier, you would have made some mistake. After, since you would have, you'll be holding, suddenly it will come and hit your stop loss. So you have not made money. So that problem still lies in your mind. So that is why, if I get 10 rupees profit, enough. 2,500 rupees done. But unfortunately, it is giving you 10,000 rupees profit.
I did the same with India Synthesis.
That's what I'm telling you. No, see, if you are not practicing that in the first 15 days to be with the fortune signals, and that too when it is giving the trending move, then on the sideways move you'll get hit again and again and again. Then making money is very, very difficult. Making money is very, very difficult. So try to be with the trend and try to master that and start hearing those audios and concentrate on the fortune signals for the next 15 days. One trade, you can get your 21,669. I guarantee you. Don't force yourself to make money in this next 15 days. That's my humble request.
So that's why you have a lot of questions come when trading. At that time, just be focused on what you are learning.
You don't trade, I'm the happiest person. See, totally 150 members in this group. First day, 137 people. Today, 100 people. Slowly, this will get reduced. Why? Not because of my teaching. It is because of your losing trade. If you lose the trade, you will not join the group. You will not join the webinar because your mind is already out. Not me. That is why I tell you not to trade for the first 15 minutes. Learn the concept, practice the concept, then trade. If you want to become a crorepati tomorrow morning, go and loot a bank. Don't come here. You cannot become a crorepati. You can become only pichadipati, not the lakshadipati. It means you cannot become a billionaire. You can be a roadsider. 25 years, you will put your effort to get over 50,000 rupees salary, and that too begging the manager. But here I am telling 1 lakh is there. Put your effort. Out of 150 people, I got maximum 20 people who did the timing candle. No homework. Rest everybody know. If you don't do homework, what will happen? Next month you will call me and say, sir, you are putting one thing, no loss strategy. What is that no loss strategy? Have you taught me in batch 20? This is the question people will raise. We have seen many people, boss. Believe me, my guru and all, they will not talk about the numbers. They will not give recording. The session will be only for 45 minutes. No recording, nothing. And whatever he is saying, I need to watch like this. I cannot miss even a single point. Because he will not repeat. That 45 minutes, my mind to be to the sharp to the core with him. Otherwise, I cannot manage my gurus. Because they are not for money, first of all. If I don't disturb them, they are the happiest person. Still, my guru is saying that I am unfit. Then think about their capability. No, if you ask me any question until next webinar, you can ask questions. In between, no. Go and do the homework. Chalo, go, get out. 4 or 5, what to say? The backtesting thing will come to you. Based on that, you need to do everything. Then the backtesting, the homework will start for 3 months. The next session will happen only after 3 months. After one session, the next session after 3 months. And after submitting my homework, then only my next class will start here. I don't know how many of you doing the homework. See, if you want to grow, you need to do this. If you don't want to grow, then I don't want to tell anything. Okay? Bye.
Okay, Mr.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Sir, good night.